Montell, where the fuck have you been? Roll the intro. So guys, welcome back to the channel. Montell Gordon here. For all you new subscribers, thank you for subscribing even though I haven't uploaded in a long time. And for all the people that have continued to support my channel and stayed subscribed, thank you so much. You really do mean a lot to me. You guys really do make my days. Some of the comments you guys drop is just so much positivity and love, and it really does mean a lot to me. So thank you guys, love you guys for that, which is really cringy because I'm not really quite a cringy type of guy, but I really do sincerely mean that. So thank you, you guys. So you're probably all wondering, where the fuck have you been, Montell? What have you been doing? How's business? How are you? What have you been doing? So that's all what this video is going to be about today. So where do I start? So guys, what I actually did was I left my own house, my crib, my yard, whatever you want to call it, and I just left for a month and a half. Not because of anything like some sort of argument like the last time when I left. I actually left, guys, because I just wanted to change my environment and really isolate myself to get my mind right and to focus on the 20% of the things that are going to bring me 80% of the results. And I actually set out on a challenge to, basically I set myself a 90 days to freedom challenge. Now you're probably wondering, what is this challenge all about? If you guys see my Instagram, some of you probably know what I'm talking about. Basically the challenge is that you go from 0 to financially free in 90 days. And financially free for me is only around £2,000 to £3,000 per month on a retainer. So that's only around 1 to 2 clients, and because I've actually worked out, my actual living costs and what I'll need to continue to live, continue to build my business, and it actually doesn't work out to be that much. I mean, SMMA itself doesn't really require that much. I'm not spending any money on SMMA at the moment because it's just no money, hands down. All you need is credit on a phone and a laptop to send out emails, send out messages. So there's no cost there unless you want to count in Wi-Fi costs and stuff like that, energy bill and shit like that. But other than that, there's not really any cost to social media marketing agency. I also set my challenge that if I didn't have a client, I'm not coming back home, and I am home. So guys, I may or may have not had a yes from a 7-figure business owner, so I can't really speak much about that, but I know you're all wondering if I have a client or not, and to answer that is, it's too early right now. Calm down, everyone calm down. I did have my proposal accepted. I sent out a proposal to this business owner and they got back to me and said yes. So guys, I may or may have not, I've just changed my whole entire life. Let me explain, guys. It's so fucking exciting. Shit. So let me explain. Let's say I do get this client on the 1-week trial, which they have already said yes to, so I kind of can say yes, that's in the bag. They're just fixing up a few things on their end, and I've got my funnels ready, and we've been going back and forth, so everything seems to be moving smoothly at the moment. So let's say that they don't accept let's say I go to close them, they don't want to, carry on working with me, but I do deliver good results. For whatever reason they don't close, maybe it's too expensive for them at the moment, or it's just not the right timing, or they just don't have that sort of budget. But whatever the case may be, let's say I do good on the trial period, so I deliver good results for them, and in return I'm going to ask them for a testimonial. Now this testimonial is going to be basically gold dust to me. It's going to be the key. Let me explain why. I can then take this testimonial, and within that certain niche, the niche I'm in right now is the medical niche. So what this testimonial is going to allow me to do, guys, is it's going to basically allow me to take it and just spread it out within the niche. I'm going to shout it at the top of my lungs to every other business owner in that niche. Look what I did for them on a 1-week free trial. I managed to get them this results, that results. I did X, Y, and Z, and this brought that. I mean, the testimonial is gonna literally be the key, guys. And worst case scenario, I don't get the testimonial, maybe I can get a referral from them. Even if I do good work and they don't want to give me a testimonial for some reason, they're shy on camera, let's say, probably not, don't know why I just said that, but I could get a referral from them, and that again gets my foot in the door. So I think I may have done it, you guys. I really do think I may have done it, cracked it. So that's just a little information about that. I can't really talk too much about that right now because it's really early days. I don't want to jinx it, even though I'm not really a superstitious guy. I do want to wait until, you know, the contract's signed and the money's been sent into my account before I start making any big announcements. So calm down, you guys. But I could have potentially just changed my whole entire life. Think about it. Get a testimonial from them. Maybe I even close them. I get a testimonial. I send a testimonial out to other people in the niche. They are interested in this trial. I get them. They gave me another testimony. It just snowballs from there, you guys. And it's been so hard to get up to this point. Hard being a relative term though, guys, because think about it. What does hard really mean? I mean, some of my uni assignments has been harder than doing this sort of stuff. I'm actually not even joking. Some of my uni assignments were hard, even though they were bullshit. They were harder than sitting on a laptop or on a computer over there and messaging business owners or calling business owners. You can't tell me that a 3,000 word assignment is easier than calling up 30 business owners a day. Of course it's not. But on the flippity side, it's not easy whatsoever, guys. I don't want to ever sell you guys dreams, so I'm not saying that it's easy. But it's not hard neither. There are harder things you can do. For example, go clean bathrooms for 8 hours a day. That's hard. Go and work in a coal mine for 10 hours a day. That's hard. Go work in the steel factory or something like that. Now that's hard. Like that's physically hard. I'm talking, this is more mentally hard. You have to be in the right zone, right mindset. You have to be disciplined, focused, know what to say, handle objections, and that sort of stuff. So guys, what I've actually gone and done is set myself this 90 days to freedom challenge. It is now day 25. I don't count the weekends, so it's around, and it's Saturday now, so I'm still on day 25. Day 26 starts Monday. And on day 16 is when I got the my proposal accepted by this business owner. And this business owner, I'm telling you, is going to be a high ticket client, you guys. They definitely have the money to pay me a retainer, even if it's just 2K per month. Probably going to be more than that, but I'm not trying to get too happy right now because I've actually worked out their customers' lifetime value, and it can range up north of £15,000 for one customer. Like, so guys, that's what's going on right now. I actually went away, left home, came back, still arguing with my parents. They're still telling me to get a job. They still don't believe in this whole entrepreneur stuff. I'm actually at a point thinking to myself now that even when I'm on, let's say 10K per month, they'll probably still go tell me to go get a job. So I just kind of have to, you know, cut that out, listening to them out. I've also been doing a lot of cold calls on my 90 days to freedom challenge. Every single day, by the way, I actually document on video. So do you know, like those space movies you see where they're up in Mars or on the moon base or something, some shit like that, and they go onto the computer and they do a video log every day? I do a video log every day and I document every single cold call I've ever made. Every single one. Guys, there's probably over 60, 70, maybe even 80 to 100 gigs worth of cold calls on my laptop and on that computer and on my hard drive combined. I may release some of those to the public, but they're kind of embarrassing because I kind of sucked at cold calling at the start, but I definitely got better and better as I went along. And to me, guys, it's so funny because I've done hundreds, if not thousands, of cold calls now, and I've still not yielded the results I thought it was going to yield. But that's just because of this niche I'm in. It's so hard to get the business owner on the phone because I'm in the medical niche. Just so hard. The number one rejection I'm getting at the moment is they're in surgery, they're in a meeting, could you send some information on? We refer on referral patients only. So it's a bit of a you know, going back and forth type of game. I've actually started to see some great results from email marketing, cold emails. Everyone says it doesn't work. Guys, I'm getting over a 50% open rate and over 17% reply rate. Just using a simple little question. It's 2 questions. It's not even a paragraph. It's just 2 lines, and that's all I'm sending out to these people over cold emails. And I'm getting so many replies back. I call it the golden questions. I call them the golden questions. Because it really does imply that you're not trying to be there. I'll try to explain it in another video, but if you guys actually want some help with cold email outreach or cold outreach on like Instagram, Facebook, because that's what I've been using, and that's how I managed to get my first yes from my client that I've just been talking about, is actually a Facebook video drop. So I actually sent a video over and dropped that into their little DM box or whatever you want to call it, and that's when I got a reply back saying, yes, we're interested in that, could you send over more information. Sent over more information. They seen it, they looked at it, they know that it's a free 1-week trial. They put the ad spend down, they said yes to that. I don't want to go too much into that, that's why I'm not really talking about it right now. I mean, it still could, you know, just fuck up and just not happen, but even if that happens, I've still got a lot of interested people on my emails. In fact, let me just quickly show you on my computer the type of like stats I'm getting, because you guys probably don't believe me, because 1% reply rate is normally the industry average when it comes to cold emails. Everybody says cold email doesn't work. Let me show you. So guys, here is my cold email campaign, drip campaign. Basically there's 5 emails in this. Let me just go ahead and refresh this so you know that I'm not lying or anything. Wait for that shit to load. Wi-Fi is absolutely terrible here, guys. That's actually another reason why I kind of left my house, because the Wi-Fi is really terrible around here. I live like in the countrysides. Like I'm telling you guys, it takes me about 16 hours just to upload a video, and doing cold calls around my area is just impossible. It just doesn't connect. But anyway, guys, as you can see, that's reloaded now. As you can see, I've got 527 prospects in the campaign so far. So what I did was I used my software that I was talking about when I was going to write my ebook. I'm actually thinking about doing a video course on it now, because I've just realized how powerful it actually is. But what I did was, this is basically all passive, guys, by the way. I went ahead and used the software to pull leads from Google or wherever I want to, and then I put them into an Excel sheet. I then click one button and they upload into this software. This software, by the way, is called woodpecker.co. I'll leave a link in the description. So what happens with this software here, guys, is that I can set up basically as many emails as I want. So I can set up one email would be the first contact. If they don't reply to that, I can then set up an email beforehand, which basically follows up with them. So if they don't reply to the first email, it sends them a second email. But if they do reply to the first email, then they don't get the second email, and they're taken out of the list basically. Then you can obviously go ahead and reply manually over Google Mail or whatever email provider you use. So what's happening here, guys, is there's 5 emails in this drip campaign, and the first one is just a simple 2-question email, and it's getting a 54% open rate. As you can see, there's 156 opens, and as you can see, this is the number one you really want to focus on. 16.3% reply rate, guys, which is absolutely insane. So guys, if you actually want to use this software, it actually just runs in the background. I don't recommend just leaving it there and just doing nothing, because I've started to see that I'm getting a little bit complacent now. What I mean by that, guys, is that this software here basically just runs on its own. It will send out these emails no matter what you're doing. You could be in the bath, sleeping, watching anime, watching porn, whatever you guys do, and it just runs on its own. So I'm sending out right now 527 emails in 5 emails, so that times that by 5. Do not auto replies as well, guys. If you guys want to see someone reply, just DM me. And if you guys want me to help you, give you some tips on how I'm actually getting these type of numbers, just message me on Instagram. I don't really do coaching calls. You can't actually even reach me on a coaching call because I just don't do them. But if you guys want to go ahead and jump on a coaching call and you want results like this, then just go ahead and DM me on Instagram. I'm not even going to set up like a landing page with ClickFunnels or anything that collects your emails, because I just want to keep it exclusive and to a few people, because obviously I don't want to be blasting out my great techniques so far. But as you can see, the other stats on email 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, I only just set this up, so email 5 has not even been sent out yet. And these are the results I'm getting so far after I set this up on, as you can see, it's the 25th of August. I set this up on Monday, so it's been what, 6 days now? 5 days, 5, 6, 7 days, whatever it is. Can't do maths, but whatever. So as you can see, guys, I've still got another 188 emails to send on the first one. And I'm telling you, these 3 right here are not even the money grabbers. It's these 2. like I put the fake audit, if you guys know what the fake audit method is, as a last result, I put the fake audit method in. So this one's going to catch a lot of people. With the, you know, I've set up, I went through your business online, blah, blah, blah. I think you could be leaving a lot of money on the table. So I went ahead and created a full online audit for you for free. Here's the link. Then you obviously send them a broken link, but track the clicks. So you can see how many people track the clicks. And basically they get back to you saying, hey, the link's broken. And then you reply to them saying, oh, sorry, something must have gone wrong, blah, blah, blah. But that basically qualifies them. They basically are putting their hands up at that point saying, hey, we want this free audit. Give me my free audit. It's broken. Can you send me another one? So by that time, they're already interested, guys. So this is the money grabber right here. These are still getting me some great results, guys. Look at these open rates here. This is crazy. So if you guys want to go ahead and leave me a DM, make sure you hit me up on Instagram. We can jump on a coaching call and I can sort you guys out. So guys, as you can see, business seems to be running smoothly at the moment. I got this system set up. I can literally go and sleep right now and I'll be sending out emails and getting replies. I'm getting a lot of replies. It's like 3 replies every hour, and these are people that are actually interested in what I've said in the first email. So guys, like I said, that software there will literally run in the background no matter what I'm doing. I could be taking a shit, sleeping, playing video games, and it will still run, reach out to businesses for me. And the people that don't reply get hit up and hit up again, because obviously follow-ups are the key. Follow-ups are what's going to make you a 6-figure business, guys. It's the follow-ups. It's all in the follow-ups. And I obviously got the follow-ups set up properly. Regards to the ebook, I'm thinking about not making it an ebook, but I might just make it a whole like miniature course. It won't be too expensive, but it'll probably be one of the best email marketing courses out there. I mean, can you tell me another course or another person that's getting 17%, almost 70, I've seen it go up to 17% reply rates. Can you name me one person who's getting a 17% reply rate on a cold email that's in a drip campaign, that's the first email in the drip? It's just crazy, guys. Like, it's absolutely crazy. As you can see, our business is going good. That's all cool. I'm good myself. If you guys are wondering, I've been really good. So guys, if you're interested in coaching calls, please drop me a DM on my Instagram. I don't even do them, so there's no actual way you can actually reach me. I don't really do this sort of stuff. But I mean, if you guys really need the help, then I'll put my neck out for you and help you with this. Also, the link in the description is going to get you this software for free for 30 days, and you're going to get 500 cold emails to send it out. Now, the original plan only gets you 14 days free trial and 150 emails. So I suggest highly you use my affiliate link, which is rich coming from me because obviously I get a kickback from that. But you know, I do want to help you out as much as possible. And actually, take a look at this email. I actually had to ask for the affiliate link and try get that set up for you guys, because you know, I want to provide as much value as you can. So I didn't actually just go and sign up to be an affiliate link to sell it to you guys. I actually used the software, seeing that it was getting me results, and then I asked them, can I get an affiliate link for this, please? And then they said, yeah, sure. What sort of system would you like? And obviously I've had you guys in mind, so I picked the biggest plan, which was the 30-day with the 500 emails. So guys, use the link in the description for that software. It has absolutely been a game changer for me. Not many people are talking about this sort of stuff. And anyway guys, that's just a quick update. Well, not quick, because this video is probably like 40 minutes long by now, because I just blabber on. But guys, business is running smooth. It's nice to be back, and I'm trying to upload around 2 to 3 times per week now. So with that being said, please drop me a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.